Okay guys, we have the 51st floor of CapitaSpring. There's this sky observation deck, and you can just walk around. It's open till 10:30 at night, and it's lunchtime in the CBD now. Goodness, it's so hot. You can see Sentosa Cove from here. Wow. This is another view of it. It's lunchtime now in the CBD. Taking this opportunity to come here and have a look. What is this all about? Beautiful place. Shows you how small Singapore is. Okay, so you can walk around. You can see all the way to Bukit Timah Hill. Continue walk around it. This is really unexpected. Okay, there's Singapore River. Far away is Johor Bahru, you can see. Pretty nice place to get a sweat. Okay, as we walk around, okay, this is the other side of the deck, and there you can see MBS. From there we walk around and out. There's a little pothole. I'll take a picture later. Nice. Okay guys, that's the full view of the observation deck in CapitaSpring. The 51st floor. There's a direct lift that comes all the way up here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, man. Bye. Here, folks, is where you take the lift up to level 51. All you need to look for is this nice. One of the lifts is already not working. I don't know. Okay, that's all. Okay, from the ground floor, I was actually on top there. So, yep, 51st floor of CapitaSpring. This is Raffles Place, for those who doesn't know.